Hello everyone, myself Shravani, a student of final year BA Media and Communication. Because of Centurion University world-class facilities, I had a fantastic time. I am grateful to all the experts, advisors and overall organization for offering us with an high-quality education. I am also grateful to the placement cell for scheduling placements during the pandemic and supporting me in getting a job at interview times as a content writer and as well as anchor. Overall, the time at Centurion University was incredible experience. There are foundation of learning received and the respected university, and this is legacy for life with the mentality of being ever ready and to assist and to exclusively imparting classroom techniques.